Good morning students. I hope you all are studying well and keeping yourself safe at home. This is Jyoti Nahar from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota, and today we will be discussing the bookwork and copywork of chapter number 14, that is our environment. So let us begin, children. So, we have already discussed the chapter, and in that chapter we had done the important topics, that is pollution, types of pollution, greenhouse gases, greenhouse effect, and about global warming we have discussed. So, let us do with the bookwork and copywork, the bookwork which is given on page number 126 and 127, children. Okay, so let us start with bookwork first. We are doing chapter 14, our environment. The first question here is, take the correct answer. You are given 4 options and you have to take the correct one. The first one, dumping of solid waste in the soil causes. Now, when we are dumping the solid waste in the soil, in the land, that causes land pollution. Second one, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Now, as we have discussed, what are greenhouse gases? The greenhouse gases are the gases which trap heat. The heat which is reflected back from the earth is trapped by these greenhouse gases. The gases which have the tendency of trapping heat, they are called greenhouse gases. So, what are the examples of greenhouse gases? We have discussed ozone, methane, carbon dioxide, these are the examples of greenhouse gases. Now, among these 4, oxygen, this is not a greenhouse gas, except oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, all the 3 are greenhouse gases. So, what is the correct answer which is not a greenhouse gas? The oxygen, B, oxygen. Third one, a greenhouse is made of. We have discussed about greenhouse. What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse is a glass that is made of, house that is made of glass. So, what is the correct answer here? D, glass. Now, the fourth one, chlorofluorocarbons. This is again a greenhouse gas which is used in air conditioners and refrigerators. This gas, chlorofluorocarbons, we can call it CFCLs in short. These gases, they are present in refrigerators, air conditions, and these gases are responsible for global warming on the earth. Now, fifth one, more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap more heat. The greenhouse gases, they have the tendency of trapping heat, and so when they increase in number, the greenhouse gases concentration increases. What will increase? More heat will be generated or more heat will be trapped. So, our atmosphere will become more hotter. Now, the B question, write T for true and F for false statements. You have to write T and F in the block provided. Now, the first one, the surroundings in which we live is a environment. Yes, the environment, what is environment? Environment is the surrounding in which we live. All the substances, all the surroundings like your plants, animals, all these make up our surroundings. So, with the surrounding in which we are living, may be biotic, may be abiotic. This is called environment. So, the answer is true. Second one, there are 5 types of pollution. No, children, we have done 4 types of pollution, that is air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution and soil pollution, water pollution, sorry. So, 4 types of pollution we have done, but here they have mentioned 5 types. So, this is false. Water pollution is caused by loud noise of machines and vehicles. No, children, this is again a false statement, because water pollution is not caused by loud noise. Noise pollution is caused by loud noise of machines and vehicles. Next one, greenhouse gases have the property of trapping heat. Yes, this is absolutely correct. So, we need to write T over here. Without the greenhouse effect, the earth would be very hot for life to exist. No children, this is a wrong statement. If the greenhouse gases were not there, our earth would be a very cold place to live here. The temperature of our earth would have even gone to minus 18 to minus 20 degrees. So, this statement is false because greenhouse gases, they make our earth suitable for life to exist over here. So, this here you are going to write F for false. Next question is name the following. What is pollution which is caused by industries and vehicles? Vehicles and industries, they give out carbon dioxide and smoke. So, they cause air pollution. Different types of pollution, we have done 4 types of pollution, and what are these 4 types of pollution? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Next one, the walls of a greenhouse is made of it. A greenhouse is a house which is made of glass. So, we are going to write glass over here. 2 examples of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases, the examples are carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxide. So, we may write any 2 of them. We are going to write ozone and methane over here. Next one, the gas which is used in air conditioners. Again, chlorofluorocarbons, as we have discussed earlier, chlorofluorocarbons is the gas which is used in air conditioners. Now, we have discussed the bookwork. Now, coming to page number 128, the question which is given here is match the following. You are given one column this side and the correct answers are jumbled up on the next side. You have to match the correct answer. Greenhouse, now what is greenhouse? A greenhouse is a house for plants made of glass. Second one, greenhouse gases. Which are the greenhouse gases? What are the examples of greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide and ozone. Water pollution, now how is water pollution caused? By releasing waste into water bodies. Land pollution is caused by dumping of solid waste in the soil, and air pollution is caused by vehicles and industries. Here children, you are given an extra option here, so you need to just cut it down. Now we will proceed with our copy work. First we are going to do the 2 definitions which are important in this chapter. The first one is pollution. What is pollution? The harmful changes which are brought in the environment by human activities. We human beings, we have interfered with the environment. We have brought about some changes in the environment, like by driving of vehicles, we are emitting smoke, we are dumping waste in the soil or in water. So, all these changes which are brought about by human beings, these are called as, these cause pollution. Next is greenhouse effect. Now, what is greenhouse effect? Heating of the earth's atmosphere due to trapping of sun's heat by greenhouse gases. Now, as I have told you, these greenhouse gases, they are present in the environment around our earth, and these greenhouse gases, they have the property of trapping heat. So, this trapping of heat causes heating on the earth's surface, and this is known as greenhouse effect. So, it is the heating of the earth's atmosphere due to trapping of heat by the greenhouse gases. Now, coming to question and answers. The first question here is, how is water pollution caused? Water pollution, how is it caused? It is caused by the release of household and industrial waste into water bodies. The household waste, waste from our houses, it is also released into the water bodies. This also causes water pollution, and the sewage which is released from the industries, that is the major cause of water pollution. Now, what are greenhouse gases. As we have just now discussed, gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, ozone and methane, these gases, they have the property of trapping heat, and so these gases are called greenhouse gases because they are the major cause of greenhouse effect. They cause greenhouse effect, and so they are called as greenhouse gases. And what are the examples? Methane, ozone, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, water vapors, these are the examples of greenhouse gases. So children, our next question, what is global warming? Now, due to this greenhouse effect, our Earth's temperature, when it rises slightly, this causes global warming. This effect, this natural phenomena is called global warming. So, what is global warming? A gradual increase in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. And how is this temperature of the Earth's atmosphere has risen? Due to greenhouse gases, because they have the property of trapping heat. The more of greenhouse gases, as the concentration of this greenhouse gases is increasing, the temperature is also increasing, and thus it is causing global warming. So, this is known as global warming. Now, our fourth question, explain the effects of global warming. Now, what is the effect of this global warming? What is the effect of this rise in temperature of the Earth's atmosphere? Due to the rise in temperature, global warming is causing changes on the Earth. Our climate is changing. The summers have become more hotter nowadays. So, these climatic changes, they are leading to melting of polar ice caps, because the temperature has risen, so it causes melting of polar ice caps, and as the ice caps they are melting, there will be rise in sea levels. ये जो sea का level है, this will increase and it will cause flooding, causing harm to low lying areas or to the people living near coastal areas. Now, it also leads to extinction of some plants and animals in the long run. If this climatic changes, if this continues for a longer period of time, the animals or some plants, they won't be able to survive and they will extinct. The extinction will be there, and so it will cause a great harm to nature too. So, our next question, question number 5. Now, write measures to check global warming. As you know, this global warming is making drastic changes in our environment. So, we need to check it. How we can check it? First one, reduce the use of fossil fuels like coal, petroleum. These are fossil fuels. If we are going to reduce the use of these fossil fuels, the smoke, the gas carbon dioxide which is released by these fossil fuels, that will be less, and if less of greenhouse gases, less of global warming. Next one, reduce, reuse and recycle waste. By following the 3 R's, we can protect our environment and thus help to check global warming. Plant more and more trees. Now children, you all know that plants, they take in carbon dioxide gas for photosynthesis process. So, if we are going to plant more of trees, more of carbon dioxide will be taken up by them, and thus the concentration of greenhouse gases in the environment will reduce, and so we can check global warming by planting more and more trees. Then we can switch to clean energy sources like solar energy and wind energy. These sources, they are called clean energy sources because they do not cause any pollution. So, if we are going to use these solar energy and wind energy instead of other energies like fossil energy obtained from fossil fuels, we can reduce the amount, the concentration of greenhouse gases, and that will in other way check our global warming. So, these are the measures, these are the steps which we can follow to check our global warming. We can reduce the global warming by following these some steps, some measures. Okay children, so this was our last question. We have discussed the book work and the copy work. I hope you have gone through the explanation video and done the internal questions too, and now you have to do this book work and copy work neatly and in beautiful writing in your notebooks children. Thank you.